Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known and trained free FTP solution. How you are going to be get the file transfer protocol app into in your computer system. That is FileZilla. We are going to demonstrating you, which is a very easy and convenient and also absolutely free. Let's see. Open Google. Very simple technique you will learn. Just Google it and type file. That's it. Hit enter. Just see here FileZilla. What is FileZilla? The free FTP solution it is there, and cross-platform FTP application consists of FileZilla client and FileZilla server, and you will be get all the match information. And this is the binaries are also available for Windows, Linux operating system, and Mac OS as well. Okay, just simply go to here, download FileZilla client. Once you are going to be submitting a data into the web server, you require client for Windows. If it is in a Windows operating system, based on that operating system bit, you choose for the Windows operating system version, or else if you are using any other platform other than Windows, if it is a 32-bit Mac, Linux, based on your operating system, you choose the version of FileZilla. And if it is in this lecture, I'm going to continue with the Windows. Just download FileZilla client. Now see here, it's a pro, like a pro version is there. You have to buy, and a pro version is having more additional features. For uploading of the content, free version is sufficient. So you are choosing first one as an FileZilla. This one. Just click the to transmit the files from our local system to hosting server wherever it would be, and you will get all the information from the hosting server. Once next lecture we'll see how to like a configure FileZilla. Like see here, once the download is completed to your computer system, just launch the setup. Yes, still it is completing the download. Let me see, show all the downloads. Once it is completed, you open in a show folder. You see here, and right click or double click and run as administrator or open. Anything would be acceptable. Now you see here, yep, you will be initiated like this. It will ask you a question called the user access. Yes, press the S button to continue the installation procedure. Yes, in my computer system, just you have to press I agree and initiating continue with the next and finish to complete the installation of FileZilla very successful and very easy way. I hope you have a good idea how to install FileZilla from downloading for the Windows. The same steps you have to follow for Linux or Mac OS and all the things. All the ready-made available binaries are also available. Find out which you suits, download it accordingly and install in your computer system. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.